I've been training 5 days a week consistently since November. I'm a business owner, a veteran, someone with a genuinely busy schedule, and I haven't missed a week. Here's the exact split I run, every exercise, every set, and how I actually make it work around in real life. What's up everyone, I'm Miguel and welcome back to Hi-Fi Fit. This channel is built around 5 pillars: move it, mind right, eat well, rest and recover, and real life. Everything I put out lives inside one of those 5 categories because real wellness isn't just about the gym, it's about building a life that actually works for you. I'm a busy professional, a business owner, and a veteran. I gained about 30 pounds before I decided something had to change. Now I use AI and simple systems to make health fit into my real life, not disrupt it. If that sounds something you need right now, hit subscribe and come along for the ride. Let's get into today's video. I want to be upfront about something before I walk you through this split. I didn't start here. I built up to 5 days over time. When I first started getting consistent, I wasn't training 5 days a week. I was just trying to show up. The consistency came first though. The volume came after. So if you're watching this and 5 days sounds like too much right now, that is completely fine. Start with 3. Build the habit. The split will still be here when you're ready for it. What made the difference for me was having AI build a plan. I gave ChatGPT my goals, my schedule, my equipment, and my limitations. And it built a structured program I could actually follow. No guesswork, no wasted sessions, just a real plan that I executed. That's the system. And inside the Hi-Fi Fit community, members get access to AI workout prompts. You can copy and paste to build a custom version for this exact split around your own schedule and equipment. Weekly live Q&As with me, members only content, an accountability group of real people doing the same work. All of that for $9 a month or $78 for the year. Founding members lock in that price for life. Visit hififit.club to see everything included. Day 1 is push, chest, shoulders, and triceps. I start every session with 5 minutes on the incline treadmill. That's my warm-up. Then activation, shoulder tabs, arm circles, and light dumbbells chest press. 2 sets each. This primes the pushing muscles before I load them with heavy. It protects the shoulder joint, which is the most exposed joint on push day. Then strength work, incline dumbbell bench press, 4 sets of 8 to 10. This is the primary chest builder for the session, and the incline angle develops the upper chest that most people neglect. Machine shoulder press, 3 sets of 10. Stable overhead pressing that builds the full shoulder without beating up the joints. Low to high cable fly, 3 sets of 12. Upper chest isolation after the compound work. And rope tricep pushdowns, 3 sets of 12. Elbows pinned, flare at the bottom, slow on the way back up. Triceps are 2/3 of your upper arm. They deserve real attention. Then conditioning battle ropes, 20 seconds off, 40 seconds off, 10 rounds. Incline treadmill walk for 15 minutes. And sled pushes for 4 rounds. Push day is done. This session takes me about 60 minutes total and I leave feeling like I actually worked. Day 2 is legs, quads, glutes, and calves. And this is the day most people skip. I don't skip it. Barbell back squats, 4 sets of 6 to 8. Heavy, intentional, the foundation of lower body strength. Leg press, 4 sets of 10. After the squat, your legs are warm and the leg press lets you keep the volume going without the spinal load. Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 10 each side. This is the movement I dreaded the most when I started, and now it's one of my favorite ones because of what it does for single leg strength and glute development. Leg extensions, 3 sets of 15, quad isolation to finish the front of the leg, and sled pushes, 6 rounds to close it out. Leg day is a day that builds everything else. Day 3 is pull, back, biceps, and core. Underhand lat pull down, 4 sets of 8 to 10. The underhand grip puts more bicep into the movement and allows the fuller range of motion at the bottom. Chest supporter row, 3 sets of 10. Chest support eliminates the ability to cheat with your lower back, so everything goes straight into the mid back where it belongs. Reverse pec deck, 3 sets of 15. This hits the rear delts and upper back in a way most back exercises miss. Cable curls, 3 sets of 12. Full peak contraction at the top. Finger roller rollouts, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Core at the end of pull day when everything is already working. And road sprints, 250 meters times 6 to finish the session. Pull day is my favorite day of the week. And here's something I want to mention at this point in this video. Inside the Hi5Fit community, members get access to the actual AI workout prompts I use to generate and regenerate sessions like this around my schedule every week. You also get real recipes with macro breakdowns, AI meal prep tools, and weekly live Q&As where we go through training and nutrition together. Members only content that never goes on social media. An accountability group of busy people doing the same work. All of it for $9 a month or $78 for the year. Founding members lock in that price for life. It never goes up. No contracts, cancel anytime. Visit hi5fit.club. Day 4 is full body metabolic. And this is a session that keeps the engine running while giving the primary muscle groups a different kind of stimulus. Goblet squats. We're going to do 4 sets of 12. Dumbbell push press, 3 sets of 10. Single arm dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 12 each side. Dumbbell step ups, 3 sets of 12 each side. And assault bike intervals, 10 rounds to close it out. This day is deliberately structured to keep the heart rate elevated throughout the whole session. It's not a rest day because, guys, as a workout, it is a real metabolic session that builds conditioning and burns fat without beating up the joints. Day 5 is shoulders, arms, and fat burn. And this is a session that takes care of everything that didn't get enough direct attention earlier in the week. Dumbbell shoulder press, 4 sets of 10. Cable lateral raises, 3 sets of 15. These two together build the full shoulder cap that makes everything look wider and stronger from every angle. Rear delt machine, 3 sets of 15. The rear delt is almost always undertrained, and this movement fixes that. Preacher curls, 3 sets of 12. The preacher bench eliminates any ability to swing and forces the bicep to do all the work. Decline bench knee raises, 3 sets of 15. Core at the end, and then 25 minutes on the incline treadmill to close the week out. Low intensity, high return. I walk out of that session feeling like the week is complete. 5 days, real sessions, real results. And the reason it works isn't because I have more time than other people. It's because I have a system that I built my schedule around instead of trying to fit the system into whatever time is left. That's the whole difference. AI helped me build the plan, documenting the journey, kept me accountable, and the community gave me people to do it alongside. That's the Hi5Fit system in real life. Save this video and share it with someone who keeps saying they don't have time to train consistently. Show them what 5 days actually looks like for a busy person. What's your current training split and what's the day you struggle with the most? Drop it in the comments below. I genuinely want to know. Subscribe to Hi5Fit and come be part of the journey. I'll see you in the next one.